In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Wise account. If you no longer need your Wise account and want to remove it for good, this process is quite straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Since this is a permanent action, it's a good idea to make sure you're ready before you continue, because closing an account usually means you may lose access to its features and history inside the platform. To begin, go to the Wise homepage in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. If you manage more than one account or use multiple browser profiles, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one before moving ahead. That small check can help prevent mistakes later. After you're on the Wise homepage and logged in, look for the profile icon. This is typically located in the top area of the screen and gives you access to your personal account settings and account-related options. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. If the menu doesn't appear right away, just pause for a second and make sure the page has fully loaded. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Close Account. This is the setting that begins the permanent account deletion process. Click on Close Account to continue. Depending on the version of the site you see, Wise may show additional information, warnings, or confirmation screens before the account is fully closed. Read each screen carefully so you understand the result of this action. As you go through this step, pay close attention to any notices about remaining balances, pending transfers, or unresolved activity. Services like Wise often require your account to be in good standing before it can be closed completely. If you see any messages asking you to review account details, simply follow the on-screen guidance until the closure can be completed. Once you've selected Close Account and confirmed the process, your Wise account will be on its way to being permanently deleted. Make sure you only proceed if you're certain, since reversing this kind of action may not be possible. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete your Wise account. If you're following along, take your time on the final confirmation screen and make sure everything looks right before you finish.